Question 19. The endpoints of a diagonal of a rectangle are -4, -5, and 3, 4. And the sides of the rectangle are parallel to the axes. How many square units are in the area of the rectangle? Now, there's a lot going on in this question, but actually it's not. If you can sketch, and sketching is a really important part of math, then this, for me, it really helps me understand what's happening. Let's just think about the fact that the rectangle is parallel. The sides are parallel to the axes. So we are looking, if this is your axis here, we're looking at it being straight on. So if we know, and I've not drawn it well on the axes, but we know that this is it 3, 4 or 4, 3? 3, 4 up here. And we know this one is -4, -5 just here. So this one here, this point here will be at the same x, which will be 3, and it'll be at the same y, which is -5. We are looking, that's the diagonal. That's what it's talking about. It's looking at that as the diagonal there. That's why it maps out those two. So because these are negative numbers, I can't do it quite like this on here. So what I'm going to do is actually plot it. Even if you didn't know what a diagonal was and didn't know it quite looked like this, actually plotting it is a good idea. I use the numbers I've got, so I need to go at least up to 3x. So that's my 3x. I need to go -4x, 3, 4 to -4. I need to go up on the y 4, 4. And I need to go down on the y the y 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And therefore 3, 4 puts me here. This is this coordinate just up here. And then 4, 5 puts me down here. And then I'm going to draw my rectangle in. I'm just going to colour it in just so it stands out. And if you look back at the question, it says, what's the area of this rectangle? Well, to find the area, I need to know what the dimensions of each of the sides are. We've got 3 here. We've got -4. So that distance there is 4 plus 3, which is 7. Here, we've started at -5. We go up to 4. So that's 5 and 4, which is 9. So 7 multiplied by 9 is 63 units. And we're looking at square units. And that's the answer, 63.